What's up, SBM gang? Today we're doing another LUVME Hair collaboration featuring my boho products. I'm installing a pre-colored wig today. The information for this wig will be in the description below. So for my new cap method, I use my boho liquid gold. I clean the skin with my witch hazel, and I go in with my skin protectant. I tell you guys this every video. If you don't use your skin protectant, your install will not stick. It will not last. You don't have an install without skin protectant. And now I'm going in with my boho active. I only did about 2 or maybe 3 layers because we was in a rush. You had to get to work. So I didn't do that many layers for this install. But with skin protectant, it doesn't matter. You still will get a strong hold. So as you can see, the lace is not a thick material at all. It was very easy to cut and blend this lace into her skin. The wig also came pre-curled, but y'all know I love to do my own curls, and I also added some layers to this wig to give it body. And for my baby hairs, I've been using my boho lace jelly. I love that product because it's not cakey, it doesn't lift the lace, and it's easy to clean when they come for touch-up. Now I'm just using my shears and I'm lightly layering this wig. It wasn't that long, so I definitely wanted to add volume and layers. I didn't want it to just be that awkward length. So adding the layers definitely helped the curls lay how I wanted them to. When you're dealing with colored hair, you have to be really clean with putting the concealer on the part because there's no black spray to kind of like, cover your mistakes. So you want to be real neat with making sure that part is perfect and you're applying the makeup really neat. All the information for this wig will be in the description box below. I will also have the link to the boho products that I used as well. Be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms and hit the thumbs up button for me. That helps me a lot. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and share. Like, comment, share, period.